So, guys, hello. Uh, I think I know how to make uncutscene that I think my mind just think how to make uncutscene skill. See, if you have cutscene plugin and after you make the cutscene, let's make the cutscene first. Oh, that should be different. Yeah. But you know how this works, right? And if you make the settings go to the part that if you touch it, it will the uh yeah the cutscene will start. So let's make the cutscene first. Yeah, it's hard. Now we should make the view like this. Oh, and wait, I go. Yeah, and that that's also if you can do any cutscene if you want. So just if you're done with the cutscene, press generate script. So if you're done doing the cutscene, you should the uh the script should not be here. It's supposed to be here. And if you're done doing that, press this and press the again the play on touch, I think. Yeah, maybe. Wait, let me find it. I only got it. No, where is it? Wait, where is it though? Let me find the. Where is it? I should find this. There. If you make the value, make this part here, and make a script that make a script that but make a script out of this button. I mean tool. Make a script with it. How where it spawns, and this is the. I will show you what happens if I touch it. Wait, just wait. So let me skip this. Wait. Let me try. Wait, never mind. Wrong one. Wrong one, I guess. I don't think that's supposed to be happening. They aren't touch. Yeah, that's right. Press. I think that's the one. Yeah, I think this is the one. Oh. Wait, what? I didn't even touch it. Yeah, that should be wrong. Wait, let me just. Oh, so yeah, I fixed the settings. Let's go. Let me try. I hope this works. I know it's not on the tool. We have to make a script where it spawns underneath the player's feet. See, it works. So we need a script to do this, okay? But it must supposed to be everything you want. So it looks weird. It will glitch the FOV, and you should not do it. Only make the camera get closer to it. I'm making this for you guys. So that's all. Bye.